Welcome to 261 Conrad Circle. This charming 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a 1-car garage on the lower level, fenced backyard with deck, as well as master bedroom balcony. It's located in the established Walden neighborhood in Irmo, near Northwest Columbia. Convenient to downtown Irmo, Lake Murray, as well as quick commute to downtown Columbia and I-26 and Harbison as well. So we're out front. You can see you have a nice sized driveway here. There's a 1-car garage, and there's also some storage on the back end downstairs. You do have a 2-car wide driveway, so ample parking. You can see it's sort of a tri-level home, kind of in the Charleston-style. Then you have the stairs going up to the covered front porch up here. You have a nice front door with the glass inlay inside. And then we step into the foyer. They are laminate hardwood floors that begin in the foyer. Those continue into the main living space as well. Right off the foyer, we have a half bathroom straight ahead. It has tile flooring and a single vanity here. And the commode sort of tucked back in the corner there. You also have crown molding throughout a good portion of the home, especially the downstairs. You can see sort of up to the 2nd level there. This door right in front of us also accesses the garage downstairs, so you kind of go down there, hook around the corner, and then on the back end there is a large storage area that goes out to the backyard. On the left here, as you enter, you have the family room. You have a nice brick wood-burning fireplace against the left wall there, with a nice mantle. You can see the crown molding detailing in here as well. It's also a ceiling fan. It flows through into the formal dining room, which has chair rail molding and looks out over the backyard. Then you have your kitchen, just nice and open. You have LVP flooring in here, white cabinets, nice updated light fixture there, and stainless steel appliances. There's an electric range, smooth top, dishwasher, as well as a side-by-side refrigerator on this wall. Plenty of storage, as well as a laundry closet tucked back here with full-size washer and dryer connections and some cabinetry above. You access the backyard via this door on the side of the kitchen, and you go out to the deck, which is sort of on the 2nd level. You can see out into the fenced backyard. Kind of backs up to a slightly wooded area back there, which is nice as well. And then back inside, we'll take a look at the 3rd level upstairs, which has the bedrooms and the remaining bathrooms. So carpeting starts on the stairs here. Again, we have that really cool sort of square window here in the hall. There's an attic access there as well. Sort of see back towards that window. Do have a linen closet off the hall as well. If we can get some light in there for you, and apologize, it's a little bit dark up here. Some missing bulbs, I believe. But the master is on our left side here. You have a ceiling fan in here, faces the front of the home. It's a decent sized closet on the back wall. And you have full bathroom. You have a single sink, large countertop. You can see a nice octagonal shaped window looking out towards the front. You have a shower, as well as a tub on this side. Then they can commode and a cabinet behind the door. And also access to the upstairs balcony that we mentioned. So you can see that window from out there, ceiling fan out there as well. It's looking out over the front. Then you have bathroom number 2 on the left side. Single vanity, tile flooring, and tiled shower and tub. Window above the tub also. Then one of your additional bedrooms here in the back corner. Roughly similar closet to in the master. And last but not least, bedroom number 3. and you can see the closet there. And both these bedrooms face the back of the home. So you can find more information on this home by visiting the website at turnerproperties.com. The address is 261 Conrad Circle.